Hello, dear English learners. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to see a new lesson about vocabulary daily routine. الروتين اليومي. ترى ما هي هذه التعابير؟ Okay, let's ask these questions first. What do you usually do every day? How do you usually spend your day? What is your daily routine like? Everyday routine. Listen, then echo or repeat. Wake up. Wake up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Dry your hands. Dry your hands. Now let's listen to this beautiful song about the everyday routine in the morning. Brush teeth. Get dressed.
They go to school looking their best. They wake up Saturday morning, but they don't get dressed.
They don't get dressed.
They don't brush their hair.
Don't brush their hair.
It looks a mess. Eat a late breakfast, and then they watch TV. There's no need to hurry. Today they are free.
Now let's read this small story about the daily routine. But before, let's read this question. Circle what the story is about. A weekday morning, or B, a weekend morning. Listen and try to understand to answer these questions. Good morning. Every morning, Harry and Ben wake up early. First, they brush their teeth. Do they use toothpaste? Yes, of course they do. Next, they wash their faces and their hands. Do they use soap? Yes, they do. Sometimes. They dry their faces and hands with their towels. Time to get dressed for school. They put on their shirts, pants, and shoes. Harry and Ben comb their hair. They look great. They are ready for school. There is just one more thing to do. Eat breakfast. Good morning, Harry and Ben. This is supposedly what their mother said to them. Okay. So question number 1 is correct, or number 2 possibility? Weekday morning or a weekend morning? Yes, it is a weekday morning. Why? Because we have here every morning, and because they are ready for school. And for weekend, we don't go to school. Great. I hope you reread this text again and try to write a small paragraph about your daily routine. Goodbye.